So we
Just going to lay this down so you can hear it.
Faces to names.
Scary
and what you'll
stuff.
see in their countenance is an incredible arrogance that they knew they could not be touched, and they had the protection of the Queen and the British Navy, the British Army behind them the entire time, and so they pushed then 2 world wars to get what they wanted, and then they pushed additional propaganda, false flag, to this very day. And of course, we haven't talked about the Federal Reserve in this, but this occurred within 20 years of the people we're talking about. And so after they were unsuccessful at getting their League of Nations pushed through, which we now see the actual records in the War Cabinet in let's see, what date was that? 2000 or 1917. Charles Masterman and John Buchan were pushing the idea of the League of Nations in the War Cabinet at that time. And then we see that they said, well, we've got to carry forward with this effort that Cecil Rhodes has encouraged us to do to get America back into the fold. So they roped in Andrew Carnegie, who started working on the educational system in our country and the library system to make it more pro-British. And then they got their bankers to start working on how they could set up a Federal Reserve System and actually give up the sovereignty of American currency to these internationalists. And stupidly, we did it. And hopefully that's going to be undone. It seems you're right, the money.
So this is all centering around this company,
and the
Quinitic, which is owned by the Crown.
Changes in what we see going on, I believe.
Well, you nailed it. They're saying weaponized bankers who were taking over the world took over America in 1913 through the U.S. Federal Reserve, and that's history, very clear. We've gone over it many times. So the other thing is, as you pointed out, the institutionalized corporate dynasties, they get so lazy.
These are people that have found a little bit of information, picked at it, pulled it, researched it, followed it all back.
And we believe that depopulation is the #1 issue. What did I just read? That's who these people are.
Let me read you a press release. When Covent Hill Earth Station was ostensibly